As you know, hypothalamus is the basal part of diencephalon forebrain, and it is regulates a wide spectrum of body functions. So now the location is important here. Hypothalamus is present at the basal part of the diencephalon and forebrain. Okay, diencephalon is also can be called as thalamocephalon. Why we are calling it like a thalamocephalon? Because diencephalon includes thalamus, epithalamus and hypothalamus together. You can consider it's like a diencephalon. So now basal part in the sense the bottom part. The bottom part of the diencephalon is nothing but here hypothalamus. Alright, now forebrain. It's a part of a forebrain. Diencephalon is a part of a forebrain. So now this is location is important. And it regulates a wide spectrum of the body functions. It contains several group of neurosecretory cells, important neurosecretory cells called nuclei, which produce the hormones. Now, the cells which are present here, the nuclei cells, okay, are nothing but neurosecretory cells, nothing but the neurons, because there's a part of the brain. Some of the neurons have the ability to produce the hormones, hence those neurons are called here nuclei. Alright children? So now these hormones regulates the synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormones. Now what's the meaning of this? Hypothalamus have a command on the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland functions will be regulated by hypothalamus. So that's what here these hormones regulate the synthesis and secretion of the pituitary gland. Alright, however, these hormones produced by hypothalamus are of two types, important. Two types of the hormones. One is here releasing hormones, another one is inhibitory hormones. Now let us see here releasing hormone and another one is inhibitory hormone. Releasing hormone which stimulates secretion of the pituitary hormones, and the inhibitory hormones which inhibit secretion of the pituitary hormones. Alright, so that means here this is going to be produced, hypothalamus going to be produced releasing hormones as well as that inhibitory hormone. Releasing hormone enhances the anterior pituitary to release the hormones. Inhibitory hormone of hypothalamus inhibits the secretion of anterior pituitary hormones. Important children, important. Okay, for example, hypothalamic hormone called gonadotropin releasing hormone, one of the important releasing hormone example here, GnRH. Okay, gonadotropin releasing hormone stimulates the pituitary synthesis and releases of gonadotropins. Okay, which hormones are called here gonadotropins? FSH and LH. FSH and LH together you can call it like a gonadotropins. Gonadotropins are hormones of anterior pituitary. This anterior pituitary must release this gonadotropins FSH and LH, means there is a need of command from the GnRH. GnRH is a hormone of hypothalamus. Got an idea children? So this is what here hypothalamus have a command on the dash, that is anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary hormones must be synthesized, releasing means there is a need of a hypothalamus. Alright, so this is what you have to remember it. And on the other hand, somatostatin. Somatostatin is also can be called as here growth hormone, inhibitory hormone. Growth hormone, inhibitory hormone, somatostatin. The somatostatin of a hypothalamus inhibits the releasing of a growth hormone from the anterior pituitary gland. Got it? So this is what. And these hormones originating the hypothalamic neurons pass through the axons and releases in their nerve endings. And these hormones reach the pituitary gland through a portal circulatory system. This portal circulatory system is called hypophyseal portal system. Done. And regulates the function of the anterior pituitary. Okay. Next you see here, posterior pituitary will be direct neural regulation of the hypothalamus. 2013 question. 2013 question this one. Okay. So now we go with that here. Along with the diagram you can see that. In the diagram very clearly it's given. Now you can see that here. This ash color one is like a hypothalamus. Hypothalamus connects with the anterior pituitary with the help of, this is infundibulum. This is infundibulum. Infundibulum, and now anterior pituitary connects with the hypothalamus with the help of hypophyseal portal system. This is hypophyseal portal system. This designed one is there, no, blood capillaries. So now this is what here we can consider it's like a hypothalamus. Now I am going to be mark here. Now you can see that here this is hypophyseal portal system. Hypophyseal portal system. So that means here hypothalamus communicates with the anterior pituitary with the hypophyseal portal system. And what about here this posterior pituitary? Posterior pituitary going to be communicate with the hypothalamus directly. I am telling in a reverse manner. Let us say here hypothalamus communicates directly with the posterior pituitary. There is no portal system. You can see that the neural ends going to be communicates here. The neuronal ends going to be communicate here. Got it? Got it, students? So that's about here regarding this hypothalamus. Done. So till now we have been completed hypothalamus. Okay. And tomorrow we are going to be start that pituitary gland. Alright. Stay tuned with me. Subscribe my channel and like it and share it. If you like my teaching, like it and share it. Okay. Thank you, students. Bye bye.